So I thought today there was school, and apparently there's not. I was up so early this morning, and then we were rushing around, and then I looked at the school's calendar, and nope, no. So I guess Logan's home today, and so yeah. I actually have a topic to talk about. Hold on. Yesterday I was talking about love and light and how to eliminate anxiety and panic attacks through meditation, breathing techniques, and chakra work with crystals. And I had posted that on YouTube yesterday, because on my YouTube channel I keep everything the same as I do in my stories, and it's just basically to keep everybody updated on my YouTube channel of what's going on in my life and whatnot. And then I guess I invited lower frequency vibrations through a portal, I suppose, before I even prayed over my tablet and phone. So I was not protected through the device to me, and I had received some really hateful vibrations. And normally the old me would have just lashed out and attacked and insulted and belittled and all this kind of stuff. But I came from a core place of love and light. And for some reason, the lower frequency 3D illusionists thought that I was being aggressive for saying that I hope that the love I'm sending, the vibes and light, heal them from their confusion and misguided hatred towards me. And I was being truthful and honest. Like, this is what I wanted. I wanted to send them love and light and healing vibes and just a whole bunch of love vibes. I was being sincere, and I actually had my crystal in my hand while I was saying this in the comments to them, and I was literally sending my love out, like how I told you guys I spread my love torus field, which is, I told you guys that it's the middle of the heart. It comes up over the middle of your head, surrounds your body, goes up through your feet and back into the middle of your heart. That's the torus field around your body. Well, I spread it so that it was engulfing the whole house, even the next door complex, the downstairs, like the I had it equal distance from me to the edge of the circle that I was using as a torus field to spread the torus field further out. So that means that my tablet, my devices that are in my room, were all surrounded by this love and light. So I had spread it out that far, and then I thought that I was doing the right thing by spreading the love and light, which I don't want anybody to think that spreading love and light all over the place is a bad thing. Just certain vibrations and frequencies are not going to be as susceptible to the love and light, and they won't be able to comprehend it the same way as we will, or we could. Some of these lower vibrations have been on my channel since the beginning, and so they admitted that they don't think that I've changed at all, that they think I'm just doing something new. And they will attack every single aspect of your life. I was attacked on my motherhood, on my education level, on my societal reputation, and I was attacked on my employment status and so many other things. And I just felt like they are really trying to distract me and pull me away from my light. or or at least try to get such a reaction out of me that I would leave my light behind. And no, I didn't. I held on to my light harder and stronger, and I just sent more love and light out. That's all I did. So I kind of wanted to send out a message to the light worker community, the Stacees, the ascension journeyers, and the awakeners. The lower vibrations are afoot, and they are seriously out to get you. So vibrations up, everyone. Vibrations up. Love and light. Just keep it positive. Today I'm going to be doing a lot of meditating and a lot of prayer. These solar flares are really hitting me hard. My head's just pounding right here. So, and these lower frequency, three-dimensional illusionists are out and just trying to spread as much hate as they can. And I'm not tolerating it. I'm sending love and light everywhere. So, my whole message today is, I actually wrote it down because I wanted to make sure that it's clear for everybody. And the message is, do not fall into the fear and the low energy tactics of attack, which are their insidious low vibration and the low energy tactics of attack. Block it all. Use your love Taurus field. Love, love, love above all. Breathe deeply. Release negative forces. Meditate to realign your energies. Drink herbal tea and lots of water. Eat vegetables that are high in photons, which is light energy. Feed your light body and keep your vibrations up. Just so that you guys can see that I'm not faking this at all. So I posted a beautiful message on here today, and at first it let all my other videos, I'll show you from the beginning. So that was yesterday. This is today, 1 hour ago. These all posted because you can see that somebody has seen it. So I posted this all 1 hour ago, and my stories were working fine. This won't even upload either on my iPad or my iPhone. So I'm going to just disregard because I've already saved all of these videos. I'm going to mash them together and put this all on. These lower frequency, three-dimensional. So there you have it. And they also, like, earlier they deleted everything for 4 days. Like, all my other posts were gone except for these ones going down. It looked like for a while that they were slowly erasing everything. So I'm just going to pop out of there now. So I just wanted to show you that the four-dimensional low vibrations are seriously afoot. Like, they are trying to stop my message. They're trying to stop it now because they know I'm reaching a lot of people. Not just light workers, but the asleep souls that are going to be awakened. They're trying to stop my message from getting to them. There's a lot of people starting to actually pay attention to my stories now. A lot of people. And a lot of people that I've been adding recently, they know that I'm trying to awaken people. They know I'm trying to enlighten them, and I'm trying to heal them and help them on their journey as I'm going through my journey. Basically, I'm doing a real-time journey myself, and people can follow me through my journey on their journey. And they can either do their own thing, or they can take my tips and advice and do what I'm doing just to get through this, because this ascension is happening whether we want it to or not. And those who aren't on the vibrational frequency that we need to be at for when it happens aren't going to ascend. They're not going to phase out of this frequency into the fifth dimensional frequency of peace and love and harmony, which is basically the golden age of heaven on earth. They're going to stay here in this matrix prison, and it's going to be hell on earth. And that's what they want. They're the ones that's puppeteering the illusion behind the Wizard of Oz curtain, and we are trying to pull that curtain from behind them and show them for who they are. And so what are they doing? They're doing these silly little tactics where they won't allow me to do my stories. So next thing I'm going to probably have to do is mash all my videos together, put it onto YouTube, and then share my link. And that's what I'm going to do, because there is going to be one way or another I'm going to get my message out there. My truth will not be silenced. My light will not be extinguished. And victory is with the light and love. There is nothing more powerful than love, and my love is so powerful. And I'm going to show these reptilians, or whoever they are. I'm pretty sure that they're all reptilians though, because from what I understand, they are the ones that act like demons, leeching off of fear and perversion and sin. They're the ones that feed off of that. And they're trying to feed hard right now. And they're not going to feed off of me, because my light is so bright. My children's light are rising, and they're getting brighter and brighter every day. And same with the people around me. And that is what we're going to do. We're going to raise everybody's vibration. And we're going to brighten all the lights that need to be brightened. And we're all going to ascend into these photonic energy, infinite light beings. And we're going to live happily with our galactic family. And that's just the way it's going to be. These lower frequencies either are going to fall in line by falling in love with our love, or they're going to stay wherever they are in their frequency and not raise with us. So I'm hoping that this message gets out there and that people actually hear it and spread this and share it, because it's not fake. This is real. They're really trying, and it's showing. Their fear is showing in their tactics. They are so scared that they have to try and block my message. Well, guess what? It's not going to be blocked. People are going to share. People are going to hear it anyway. Because I am one of those perseverance people who just keep knocking on the door if you don't answer. If I know you're inside, I'm going to knock. So, it's the way it's going to be. And I'm sending love and light to all those lower frequency vibrations in the 4D cabal illusionists, and I'm sending so much love to anybody who wants to hate on me, because honestly, I'm not going to separate myself from you. I know I'm no different than you, and you are no different than me. We are all the same stardust. We're all the same light beings. We're all the same people from source. We're all the same. We are source. Source is us. We are the universe. We are the galaxies. We are the planets. We are the solar systems. We are everything. And you cannot separate yourself from me, at least not in my body. We are all the same. And there is no separation for me. I am united with you. Even if you have that separated duality in your mind, not in mine. My heart is with you. My soul is with you. My spirit is with you. And my consciousness is with you. So, love and light. Victory to the light. Namaste. The light of love surrounds you. The light of love enfolds you. The light of love protects you. The presence of love watches over you. Any being of low insidious vibrations, you shall not pass, you shall not pass, you